We are going to present drama Let's Learn English by Spoken English Group.
There is lot of noise of vehicles as well people. There is a boy standing with a bag hand over his shoulder and waiting for someone. And just then suddenly a girl gets off the bus and with that boy shake hand and they go to college.
Hey Satura, good morning.
Morning, Urudi. What's up?
Yes, I am also fine. But let's go for the lecture. If we are late like yesterday, so our Hitler professor will angry on us. So I think we should go. Do you noticed? How was he talking yesterday? He always to talk like a great man. What do you say about this?
Yeah, it's right, dear.
You were asking me to learn English before some days, right? So Deepu sent me the advertisement to learning classes, and she also said to me that institute is very outstanding for teaching and her friends have taken admission there. So I think we should go there.
What? Who is Deepu? I think is she from circle of Bhavesh? Am I right?
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Okay, let's do it. Even now the exam will come after the vacation and the syllabus is already done. So you can ask him if the batch start now, we will meet. Okay?
Yes, let's do something like that. But Kasim has taken English class somewhere. Before one day, Vinod told me about that.
Kasim from political department?
Yes, you are absolutely right.
Well, if we meet today, let's ask him. It has gone well, otherwise he did not know English at all. But now he can speak very fluent English. That's why I say that we should also take an English course. In this leisure time, it's much needed.
Yes, dear. You know, I was always saying for English learning. But now we are already late. So I think let's go for the lecture.
Hey guys, where are Satish and Urmila?
Ishani, see, Urmila and Satish.
Hey guys, good morning.
Very good morning.
The bell rings to end the college lecture. There all the students are leaving the class and going towards the main gate. Like everyone else, Urmila and Satish also come to the canteen with their circle of friends and have some fun, gossip and teasing. There Ishani asks to Urmila,
What have you written that assignment equal 203? Or is it pending?
No, dear, it's still not completed. Is there an emergency?
Yes, Urmila, it is true. Let's write calmly. What is the hurry? Actually, I also have yet to write the assignment.
Where do you come to study? You only come see Vicky. Right, Ranudhir?
Don't speak over, smart boy. You are very short and your voice is also like a girl. Damu's voice is better than you. At least her voice is like a man.
all students stalking each other, and then suddenly Kasim comes from the front with his friend Akshita, and everyone is forced to notice to Urmila. and she says to Satish,
Hey, see, Kasim is coming here. Let's ask about the English class.
Okay, let's do. Kasim, come here, bro. I need your help.
Yes, tell me, bro.
You did an English classes, right? So how do teach there?
Teaching good, but why?
We are thinking about learn English during this vacation.
Nice thought, brother. They are teaching good, basic in short time period. I also learn English there. Okay, brother, I am getting late. Sending you that ma'am's contact number. Please talk our Hans by giving my reference.
Yes, Satish. I also want to learn English.
What? You in English?
Why can't I learn English?
Okay, dear, you can also come for learn English. And friends, let's go. And Satish, when Kasim sends you that madam's number, so you talk to her.
Okay, friends, bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Hello, Satish.
Hello, Uru. Are you free right now?
Yes, dear. What happened?
Nothing special. But Kasim sent me the number of the madam who handles English course. So I have just talked to her.
Oh, wow. That's great. So, what she told?
The new batch will be starting from tomorrow itself. We have to go tomorrow with the documents. And the last 5 seats were left. So I have registered the names of yours, mine, Avni, Ishani and Urvesh.
Well done. By the way, did you told Urvesh?
Yes, I have informed to Urvesh. And you have to inform everyone else, okay?
You did very well. So, we have good vacation time. Let's learn some English. And tell me, what is the time?
2:30 to 5 o'clock.
Okay. We left sharp 2 p.m. and in 10 minutes we get the bus and in 20 minutes we will be there. So, is it nearby the bus station?
Yes, we will reach there in 2 or 3 minutes by walking.
Perfect. Let's meet tomorrow and you inform our stupid friend to come at right time. He is too much careless about that.
Don't worry about him. He will come, I will call and inform to him, okay?
Okay, bye.
Again, the afternoon of a new day, all friends are walking as well as laughing and joking. At that moment, another girl joins them, and her name is Simran, and she says, listening to them,
Do you also have to go to English learning classes?
Yes, dear. Are you also going there?
Yes. New batch is starting. So, I also taking admission in it.
Oh, that's great. We are also going for there.
while they are talking to each other and they reach at the door of the learning English classes. Madam is entering the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students.
How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, my name is Sophia and I have the experience around 22 years.
Oh wow, really?
Yes. Many students have taught under me, and I hope in just 5 months you will all come in that list. Alright?
Yes.
So, I am familiar with you all. So, without wasting much time, we'll start today's our class. Will you all ready?
Yes.
Alright.
So, in our first class, I'm going to teach you the types of sentences. But before that, I would like to give you information about helping verbs. It means with subjects. Helping verb, it means which verb can we use. So with I, you have to use am, and with we, you, they, and more than two names, you have to use are, and with he, she, it, and one name, you have to use is. So first of all, simple sentences, it means she is girl. Now she is subject, is, it means helping verb, and girl is object. Next example is they are boy. So is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Now move on to negative sentences. It means you have to put only not between helping verb and object. She is not girl. They are not boy. You are not my friend. So those are example of negative sentences. Now the next is interrogative. It means you have to ask question. Is she girl? Is it apple? The helping verb is on the first, and after that the subject. This is the structure of interrogative sentences. Is it clear?
Yes.
After 5 months.
So, my dear students, this is our last class, and I hope that you all can speak English very well. So, today in the last class, I am going to ask you some questions, and you have to give me answers. So, first is Urvesh. Urvesh, tell me, what is the structure of present perfect tense?
Yes, ma'am. Subject plus have has plus V4 plus other words.
You missed something. Urvesh, you missed something. I am telling you that subject plus have has plus V3 plus object plus other words. Now repeat again.
Subject plus have has plus V3 plus object plus other words.
Well done. And now, second question for Urmila. So tell me, Urmila, how many the types of parts of speech?
Yes, ma'am. We learned so many parts of speech like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection.
Very good. Next question for Kanika. So Kanika, tell me, how many articles we have learned?
Yes, ma'am. There are 3 articles, a and the.
Perfect. Urvesh, was that your turn?
Sorry, ma'am. I was just trying.
Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Yes, please.
How can we maintain our fluency?
Only a simple way. Just practice every day.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So, my dear students, thank you very much for your support, and my wishes to you all. Keep learning, keep practicing.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're all welcome.
After 10 years. A beautiful hall called Taggart Hall has a sign in 3 languages. Gujarati, Hindi, and English at its entrance. People are lining up to get in. Once inside, there's a parking area on the left. A bit further, there's the main entrance to the hall. As people enter, they're greeted with the rose. The hall is decorated with colorful lights and garlands. There's the banner on the stage saying award and the prize ceremony. Chairs are arranged below the stage. The guests arriving in the hall. Miss Kavita Sharma standing on the stage, and she will start award function.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your host Kavita Sharma, and I welcome you all in this big award ceremony. We are so happy to see so many of you here to honor all these contestants. Today we have 3 competitions and we'll give awards to winners. We are doing something new. Usually we have competition for students, but this time it's for teachers. Let's start with our first award. We chose a best social worker from many people who help others in Gujarat. Best social worker award goes to Mr. Qasim Qadri. I asked Qasim sir to come on the stage and get his award. Now move next competition, National Level English Poetry Recital Competition. Only school teacher could participate. Mr. Shlok Mehra came third. I asked Mr. Shlok to come on the stage and get his award. The second award goes to Miss Mary Mekwan from Mumbai. I invite Miss Mary come on the stage and get her award. And the first prize goes to Miss Urmila Desai from Navjivan Secondary School in Gujarat. Miss Urmila is a well-known poet with 3 published poetry collections. She has also been awarded 2023 Youth Excellence Award in Delhi. I would like to request Miss Urmila, please receive your trophy and share your experience with us.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you so much to everyone for your good wishes. And today I am very happy because you gave me this opportunity. Like as a teacher, as a competitor, and as a winner, I am here. So, English is my most favorite subject since my childhood. Suddenly I met Sophia ma'am and she gave me the guidance how to learn and how to speak English. So, because of her, I became good English teacher, and thank you so much for being my mentor. Again, thank you so much to everyone. And the last competition for National Level English Essay Writing Competition for professors from different universities. The third prize goes to Dr. Shreya Mishra from Mumbai University. I asked Dr. Shreya come on the stage and get a trophy. Second prize goes to Dr. Zabia Sayed from MS University. I asked Dr. Zabia come on the stage and get a trophy. And the first prize goes to Dr. Satish Pathak from Banaras Hindu University. Dr. Satish has achieved many accomplishments in young age. He has also been honored as the best professor by Oxford University. So I would like to request Dr. Satish, please receive your trophy and share your experience with us.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you so much for wonderful wishes. Whatever I have achieved, the all credit goes to my teacher, Madam Sophia. Earlier, I had lot of difficulties in speaking English. But since I got the guidance of Madam Sophia, my interest in English increased. So that's why I decided that I would make my career with English as my main subject. And whatever I am here today, it is only because of and support of Madam Sophia. So I request to you that please honor my teacher along with me. Again, thank you so much.
If Madam Sophia is here, I ask to her come on the stage. We want to honor her too.
Good afternoon, all. I am very grateful to be part of this award ceremony, and I also very happy for my students. I am getting little emotional. I have so many things to say, but I will just saying that always focus on your dream, and I am always with you all. Congratulations and thank you so much.
Thank you to listen me for a long time, and it was a great opportunity to speak in front a large audience. Congratulations to all winners, and we will meet soon. Thank you so much.
You are watching drama Let's Learn English, written by Junaid Khan Pathan, audio music editor Junaid Khan Pathan, introduction of characters Satish Pathak, presented by Junaid Khan Pathan.
Hello, Uru. Are you free right now?
Urmila Desai, portrayed by Varsha Chavda.
Oh wow, that's great. So what she told?
Madam Sophia, enacted by Vishakha Solanki.
So, in our first class, I'm going to teach you the types of sentences.
Urvesh, played by Daria Rathod.
Yes, Satish. I also want to learn English.
Avni, presented by Mansi Chhajir.
What? You in English?
Qasim Kadri, presented by Ritik Soni.
Teaching good, but why?
Ishani, beautifully performed by Purvi Patel.
What have you written that assignment equal to 103? Or is it pending?
Narrated by Aisha Belim.
Madam is entering the class.
Hosted by Vishakha Solanki.